MTD Network have dropped in to see the guys at Loftlock in Reading. Now, we've done a few videos for them before showcasing their machines and machine shop, what they do. What we're going to do today is do a quick update and have a quick look at what they're actually working on. Now, this stuff, you know, basic turning stuff, so not a problem for the guys here. But moving around the shop quickly, they've got 3 4-axis machines here, so a nice bit of milling. Look at that. Nice big, all off in one billet there. Loads of material removal, your slotting, well, profiling. Nice pockets there. Great work. Slightly smaller part, but still as intricate. Look at that. Call that a boss, I suppose. And drilled, and it's actually tapped in there as well. So great bit of work there. And just looking around, we spotted another one here. So just hold that up so you can see. Nice pocket there. It's chamfering, drilled, tapped. So let's move on though, don't want to linger too long. Excuse me, thank you. So come this way. So here we go, look at this. If I can pick up, again, solid billet, great bit of material removal there, your pockets. That actually turns into some sort of turntable on an aircraft, so impressive stuff there, guys. Oh, try not to trap my fingers. Oh. And then here, much smaller part, but okay, it's not that complex, but you've got that little ridge there. But what's key to this is the material turns up in condition H, so really hard and really difficult to work on. So great work there, guys. Let's have a quick further look round. So here you've got a bit of turning, and a great example of what they're doing in the turning. Okay, that part, not very intricate, really, but that's your first op. One I prepared earlier, look at that, that's your second op. So they're actually milling that, those teeth in there, so really impressive stuff there. So let's move on. So like I said, we've got your Bridgeport, your spinner with the 2 tables, things like that. So great machine shop. But just to prove these guys measure up, sorry about that, you've got your nice Mitutoyo CMM. Great machine here, so really beautiful piece of work. Now we've got some more parts just to show you though. Look at this. Again, loads of material moving up, solid billet, but look, there, thin walls, chamfered, radius. Great piece of work there. That's in your aluminium. Now this one's in your steel though, so look at the nice difficult part to work on there. So again, drilled, tapped. Look at the board down there, so really difficult to get to. Great example of what they do here. Then, I suppose, another example here, very intricate part, but this is also working closely with precision aircraft surface treatment. So they manufacture the part at Loftlock, then off to PA, where they've anodized it, then come back, it's milled there, and then it's been allochromed. So that's working closely with precision aircraft surface treatment. Nice part there. But pièce de résistance, look at this. And I'll pick it up so you can get a feel for the size of it. In aluminium. Now key to this, yeah, you've got your pockets, your drilling, your chamfering, your profiling, relatively straightforward, but just look at the size of it and the thickness of it. Now trying to machine that and keep it flat is extremely difficult. I know it's actually bent here, but that's after the machining process is done. That's part of the actual component. But they're machining that flat. It's trade secret, so Jim can't show us any more than that. But great work. So that's just a great example of the work they're doing at Loftlock. What else have they been up to? Well, AS 9100, they're going for Rev D at the moment. I think it's almost there. They've got UTC accreditation. They're about to get Safran accreditation. So the guys have been really busy. But because they've been so busy and successful, they've actually commissioned 10 new machines. Now we can't film it in there, which is next door, because they're doing some ITAR work at the moment. So just to confirm, these guys are really busy doing some great components. So if you've got anything like that, any work you need from Loftlock, get in contact with Kevin, Jim and Steve.